Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I will show you how you can change those servers in Mobile Legends. So for that the process is pretty simple and obvious, so make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So players have multitude of reasons of changing the servers in ML. Unfortunately, the game decided your server location based on where you are located, so there is no way to change your server in game. Here are ways you can change your server in ML using VPN and other loopholes in the game. How to change the server in Mobile Legends is a commonly searched for term for players who want to switch to a different server in Mobile Legends. So how to change the server in Mobile Legends? There is no dedicated feature in the game that allows players to change their servers in ML. However, there are alternative options that player can use to jump into the other servers. For that, you must need to have to download a VPN. There are a wide variety of VPN applications available in the Play Store. Turn on your VPN, set the country of your choice. Go to your app setting and tap on Mobile Legend. Tap on clear data. Take note that this will wipe out all your Mobile Legends data, so you have to download them again before logging into a new account. Return the app and let it download all the data. You can then start creating a new account in ML on the server you choose. So that is a loophole to change the server in Mobile Legends. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.